G'day everyone, Cinnabar here. Just been working down in the creek today again. Oh, see the big hole there? I pulled this big monker of a rock out of there. I thought, there'd be a couple of 3 grammers waiting for me, but nah, nothing. Stuck in the rocks there. Got the fisher gold bug too. Picked up a nice little, probably a 0.10 piece with it. Oh man, it's hard going. I've had enough. Yep, panning in that cesspool. Gone through about 70 litres of water. Oh man. Want some? Come and get some, boy. Just like Mummy makes. That slop. Anyway, I'll put a bit of fresh stuff in. Wasn't too bad a day. Not as much as I thought there'd be down there. Oh yeah, did you hear them clunkers? Don't like panning in this shit anymore. It's like soup. I think you could even lose gold with it. It's that thick. Bloody mud. No wonder there's gold here. The old timers probably had a hard time getting it out themselves. Oh yeah, let's have a look at that. What we got there? Chunkies. It's nearly a pan full of pickers. It's a nice one. Yeah, baby. Not too shabby at all. That's a nice one. Yeah, might be 1 gram and a bit. And it's deceiving when they're chunky, they weigh up, but nice. Oh yeah, baby. Shiny, chunky. Alright, I'm going to get out of here. I've had enough working in these conditions. Alright, have a look at the mud on me. See that? You want gold? You got to earn it. Catch us later.